begin. Okay. Now see question number 7 beta parametric form. This is dy by dx only we are going to find, but let us see. This is too lengthiest one. Now let me start dx by dt. Dx by dt, that is equal to, now quotient rule under root of cos 2t ka cos 2t whole square. If I keep denominator constant cos 2t, numerator differentiation sin cube t, 3 sin square t into differentiation of sin t, what we will get at a cos t, beta t se sun lena. Now minus sin cube t, numerator I am keeping constant and denominator constant, denominator differentiation, सबसे पहले root differentiation 1/2 into under root of cos 2t into differentiation of cos minus sin 2t into differentiation of 2t into 2. We are differentiating with respect to t, so दोबारा t करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Once again, what I told you, denominator square, denominator is a constant, numerator differentiation sin cube 3 sin square into differentiation of sin cos t minus, I'm keeping numerator constant sin cube t, denominator differentiation first under root differentiation 1/2 under root of x into differentiation of cos minus sin 2t into differentiation of 2t, we will get a 2. So this 2 will be cancelled. So how I am doing simplification, listen here. I'm taking LCM, this 2 will be cancelled, and if I take LCM, so 3 sin square t into cos t into this under root will be cancelled, that is cos 2t, and then minus here we will get it a plus. I'm writing this sin 2t can be written as 2 sin t cos t, so we will get to 2 sin power 4t into cos t, the whole upon the terms comes to denominator. So we will get it, this is a whole square, that is cos 2t into under root of cos 2t. Anybody doubt here after this step? See anyhow, this is sin cube by cos. We kept, once again I'm explaining here, cos 2t denominator constant, numerator ka differentiation 3 sin square into cos. Now as per quotient rule, minus sin cube is a constant, I'm differentiating under root of cos 2t. This is x and everything. The x term I have written proper? Yeah. Now, so under root of cos 2t becomes what we will get it, that is minus sin cube t into under root of cos 1/2 cos 2t into differentiation of cos minus sin 2t into differentiation of 2t, we will get it to 2. So what is the common here? That is equal to, I hope so here common, sin square t into cos t is common. Sin square t into cos t. Very carefully you have to do. So remaining we have 3 cos 2t, and then here we have plus what we have cos t. Am I correct? I have taken what I have taken, that is sin square and then cos t. So here we have 2 sin square t. Now listen better, one thing keep in mind. Here I'm giving, this can be written as, we can write cos 2t ka whole power 3/2. Now listen, here in terms of sin square, you can write formula in terms of sin here. Suppose if in terms of cos, you can write in terms of cos formula. Now listen, this can be written as sin square t into cos t. This we can write cos 2t can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square t. 1 minus 2 sin square t plus 2 sin square t. What I told you here sin square, then cos 2t ko in terms of sin square, right? In case if it is cos square, then write cos 2t in terms of cos. Clear to you what I am saying? The whole upon cos 2t ka whole power 3/2. Now listen better, what finally I'm getting dx by dt. So dx by dt equal to sin square t into cos t. If I open this bracket, 3 minus 6. So what I will get it? That is 3 minus 4 sin square t. Am I correct with that? This is 6. And 2, if I add it, then minus 4 sin square t. The whole upon what I will get it? Cos 2t ka whole power 3/2. Now listen, suppose if it is a 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t, we will get formula, sin 3t formula. So what I am doing, 1 sin t I am taking inside. Are you clear what I am saying, beta everybody? Dx by dt, that is equal to, now see, I am taking 1 sin inside. So outside we have only sin t into cos t. If I take 1 sin t inside, we will get it 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. But very clear you have to write down. The whole upon we have cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Now what is the formula? So dx by dt equal to, the final answer is sin t cos t into sin 3t the whole upon cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. So this is dx by dt. Similarly, we will find dy by dt. Better write down fast, hurry up. The same way we will find dy by dt. So when you are doing differentiation, very carefully you have to do. So I have given here two tips. One is, in case if it is a sine square, cos 2t in terms of sine you have to write down. In case if it is cos square, then you have to write in terms of cos, this one. Then finally, if you are getting any formula, then do some modification so that I am getting here sine 3t formula. Write fast, everybody. Do fast, बच्चे.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Beta, everybody have done? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Now next I'm finding dy by dt same way. Even you can start आपकी differentiation context strong check करो एक बार. अब करना शुरू करूँ. Maybe I'm also doing. Now I'm finding dy by, जैसे dx by dt निकाला, it's the same way dy by dt. Now dy by dt. Now the same denominator under root of cos 2t whole square. If I keep denominator constant cos 2t, numerator differentiation 3 cos square t into differentiation of cos t minus sin t, and then minus cos cube t into differentiation of under root of cos 2. Abhi right now करके दिखाया था, under root of cos 2t into differentiation of cos 2t minus 2 sin 2t. Am I correct? Now the same way whatever I did in previously, the same step I'm taking LCM, 2 to cancel, I'm taking LCM. So minus 3 cos 2t into cos square t into sin t, and then minus a plus, then we will get here cos cube t into, if I use the formula 2 sin t cos t, so that is a 2 sin t cos t. The whole upon, if I take term to denominator, this automatically cos 2t ka whole power 3 by 2. Already I did how we are getting 3 by 2. Now see whatever the common term, take out common term. So that is equal to, I hope so here cos square t into sin t is common. Cos square t into sin t is common. Remaining we have minus 3 cos 2t, and then here we have cos square we have taken. So that is cos square. If we take a cos square, then we will get here cos square t into sin t. But very carefully you have to do it. So cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Now what I told you, now sin t, here is only sin cos square t. Sin t we have taken out better. Now anyhow listen what I told you here in terms of here 2 is also there. 2 is also there. Yes. Okay. Should not miss any term. So now see what I told you here 2 cos square. Cos square t you can write in terms of cos square. So that is equal to cos square t into sin t. If I replace this cos 2t in terms of cos, I hope so 2 cos square t minus 1. Formula is correct better, 2 cos square t. The whole upon we will get cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. Now finally what I am getting here, if I simplify this term, so I need dx by dt, I am keeping here. So dy by dt equal to, now see, this is cos square t into sine t. Okay, fine. If I open this, minus 6 cos square plus 2. So minus 4 cos square. We will get it minus 4 cos square t. And then plus we are getting 3. The whole upon cos 2t ka whole power 3 by 2. Now listen better, anyhow, the formula is 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. And if the formula is here 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t, then we will get it cos 3t formula. So I'm taking minus outside from here and cos t I'm taking inside. So minus cos t into sin t. If I open one cos t inside, so we will get it 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t. The whole upon we have cos 2t ka whole power 3 by 2. I'm writing here dx by dt. I need that's equal to sin t cos t into sin 3t the whole upon cos 2t ka whole power 3 by 2. I need this term. Then only I can find dy by dx. Now the final answer we are getting dy by dt, that is equal to, this becomes cos 3t formula. So minus cos t into sin t into cos 3t the whole upon cos 2t whole power 3 by 2. This is dy by dt. Now what we require, dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to parameter form. I told you dy by dx equal to dy keep inside minus. Chalo, write down first. Write down first. Write down. Are you clear? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Write down beta fast. If you have written, then tell me better. Just one step I'm erasing here. Let me find out dy by dx.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Rest of the students better? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Okay, do it. dy by, just let me finish dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to dy by dt into dt by dx. dy by dt we have a result minus cos t into sin t into cos 3t. I'm writing here. So that's equal to minus cos t into sin t into cos 3t the whole upon cos 2t whole power cos 2t whole power 3 by 2 into, if I take reciprocal, then we will get here cos 2t whole power 3 by 2 the whole upon sin t cos t into sin 3t. Everything will be cancelled. So simply we will get cos 3t upon we will get sin 3t. So that is dy by dt. dy by dx equal to, the final answer is cot 3t. Are you clear, everybody? Yes? Yes,
Ma'am,
madam?
minus नहीं होगा.
Why? Acha, yeah, exactly better. Minus. Okay, minus cot 3t. I hope so. We have completed this exercise. We have done all questions. Beta इसमें whatever the example questions, definitely you have to do it. Example 34 and then example 35, example 36, everything second derivative. Find d square y by dx square, not only dy by dx. I have done all the questions second derivative. Okay. So here example 34, 35, 36, up to 36 go for second derivative. बेटा ये 37 है ना, डोंट गो फॉर सब्स्टिट्यूशन, डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन डू इट, डोंट गो फॉर सब्स्टिट्यूशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 37, एग्जाम्पल 37 बोर्ड क्वेश्चन है, इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन दे रखा है, डोंट गिव सब्स्टिट्यूशन, यू हैव टू यूज डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला n into x power n minus 1. So in case y power 2 by 3 or n into y power something into differentiation of y, you will get dy by dx, then find dy by dx. Clear to you? So don't go for substitution. Here they have given substitution, no use of giving substitution. Now beta, I'm continuing next exercise, second derivative, second order derivative. Already I have given introduction. Now let me take questions here. आपकी एनसीईआरटी से ही क्वेश्चन ले लेती हूँ. So जो क्वेश्चन आपको होमवर्क करना है वो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. This exercise almost to prove that क्वेश्चन आता है बेटा इसमें. ऐसे डायरेक्ट फाइंड सेकंड डेरिवेटिव नहीं पूछते हैं, प्रूव दैट. मैं क्वेश्चन को थोड़ा मैनिपुलेट करूंगी, किसी तरह बोर्ड में पूछते हैं वो मैं बताऊंगी. Have you written everybody this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Better. Rest of the students.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. अब नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज निकालो बेटा. आप लोगों का होमवर्क क्वेश्चन बता दिया मैंने. जो लास्ट एग्जाम्पल है, सब्स्टिट्यूशन में नहीं जाना, आप डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट करोगे, उसमें ऐसे सब्स्टिट्यूशन दे रखा है, आप सीधे फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे, यानी इंटू एक्स पावर n minus 1 का फॉर्मूला यूज करोगे, वहां से dy by dx वही रिजल्ट आएगा. Now anyhow, so वो भी बाकी रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चंस I told you, सेकंड डेरिवेटिव निकालोगे, ओनली फर्स्ट डेरिवेटिव तक छोड़ोगे नहीं. अब आ जाओ नेक्स्ट सीधे. सभी अपना बुक निकाले बेटा. आई डोंट नो बुक रखे हैं आप लोगों के पास, नहीं रखे हैं, कितने स्टूडेंट्स रखे हैं. 5.7 बुक ना होता, हम what we did in school, you know about it. Now take it 5.7 page number 183. Beta, wherever necessary I will do it, remaining I will give you homework. Okay, let me do it some question. I'm taking straight away question number 6. So y equal to this question always prove that result aata hai beta. They never ask straight away, they ask prove that. Now see, first I'm finding, let me find dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to ex, keep it constant. Okay, so now sin 5x, sin 5x का differentiation 5 cos 5x, and then plus if I keep sin 5x constant, ex का differentiation ex. Now listen what, how I'm doing manipulation here. See, dy by dx is equal to ex into that is, we will get it 5 ex cos 5x, and then plus ex into sin 5x. I can write it y. I can write it y. I can write it here y. Okay, fine. I now see, listen, collect all y one side. Collect all y one side. Then dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. I'm taking collecting all y one side. That is 5 into e power x into cos 5x. Now go for second derivative. What I told you, first I have used here product rule. Then this is complete given term, I have replaced y. So what I told you, when you are getting first derivative, you should bring the terms into simplest form. Now I brought into simplest form. Now I am collecting all y one side. Always you have to do second derivative question like this only. Now second derivative I am going d square y by dx square minus dy by dx. Now again here product rule I am using 5 into, if I keep ex constant, then cos 5x minus, I will get it, I'm writing minus 5 sin x we will get, so that's I'm writing here better here sin 5x, and then plus if I keep cos 5x constant, ex differentiation ex. Are you clear what I'm saying? Now listen, if I open this bracket, d square y by dx square minus dy by dx, that is equal to minus 25 e power x into sin 5x, and then this we will get it plus a 5 into e power x into cos 5x. Now listen, this e power x sin 5x, that is y हो जाएगा ये, और 5 ex into cos 5x, I can write this sum. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now see, from 1 and 2, I'm simply writing from 1 and 2. Substitute 1 and 2 लिखो, नहीं है तो substitute 1 and 2 in, this is equation number 3. If I substitute here, what I will get final answer, d square y by dx square minus dy by dx, that is equal to, this one I told you given a minus 25y, and this one complete this term we got, so we can write instead of this dy by dx, that is a plus dy by dx minus y. So the final answer we have d square y by dx square. This comes to the side minus twice of dy by dx, and then plus 26y equal to 0. Always they ask like the better, if y equal to this, then prove that they will ask like this. Are you clear? So whatever you are doing questions, this is second derivative. So you have to do like this format. So nothing, see whatever first derivative, you should bring first derivative into simplest form, then go for second derivative. Whatever the possibilities result, you can use it, then you will get final answer. So like this you have to do remaining question. Let me do some questions. समझ आए बेटा? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write down. Now I will do some questions. Question number 7, बेटा question number 1 to 5 simple तरीका से करना है. So question number 1 to 5 homework. Question number 7, whatever I did here in the same type you have to do. Question number 7 is a homework. Okay, prove that the result you should bring. Question number 7 homework. Let me do question number 8. बेटा फास्ट करना बेटा. Write fast.
Ma'am, done.
Ha. Remaining. Let them do it fast. Yes, better. यस आप यस बोलेंगे तभी तो आगे जा पाऊंगी. Have you written it?
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining students, they are not giving answer. Yes, shall I raise better? Now listen, next I'm taking another one, that is question number 8. Y equal to tan inverse x. Better see one thing, keep in your mind, when you do second derivative, tan inverse x differentiation 1 upon 1 plus x square. हमेशा सेकंड डेरिवेटिव में try to avoid quotient rule. You take 1 plus x square to the side. Always whenever they say prove that second derivative, try to avoid a quotient rule. Using quotient rule, take this term to the side. That is as per prove that result. Are you clear? As per prove that, they ask like this only, that's equal to 1. Now start do differentiation product rule. Now if I keep 1 plus x square constant, dy by dx differentiation is d square y by dx square, and then plus if I keep dy by dx constant, 1 plus x square differentiation is 2x into dy by dx equal to what we will get it. So this is a proof that result. Now there may be 2 mark question like this. Now see question number 9 you have to do it. 10 I'm doing. So let me do it 9 also. Y equal to what they have given here, log of log x. If I differentiate dy by dx first derivative, so log का differentiation 1 upon what we will get it, log x into log differentiation 1 upon log x into differentiation of log x. Thus, now you take it, I told you try to avoid quotient rule, take this term x log x into dy by dx equal to, we will get it 1. You know, three variable product u, v, w. So now three variable if you use here, so what we will get? If I keep x log x constant, now dy by dx is d square y by dx square. If I keep x into dy by dx constant, log x differentiation is 1 by x. So that is x upon x into dy by dx. And then if I keep which one? Log x into dy by, first I kept this one constant, then dy by dx I differentiate. Then I differentiated this one. Now x log x into dy by dx if I keep constant, differentiate log x into dy by dx if I keep constant, differentiation of x becomes 1 equal to 0. 1 differentiation is 0. So the final answer we have x log x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx. If I take a common, 1 plus log x equal to, we will get it to 0. Like this they will ask 2 mark question, prove that. Okay, fine. So better question number 10 I'm doing, question number 11 you can do it. Okay, तो 2 बार differentiate करो, you will get automatically result. So question number 11, do it your own. Y equal to what they have given here, sine of log x. This is also one of the repeated board question, but prove that question. So what they are, see, now listen, first let me do first derivative, dy by dx. Sine differentiation is cos of log x into differentiation of log x 1 by x. Now what I told you, try to avoid quotient rule in second derivative, take x to this side. So that is, this implies x into dy by dx, that's equal to cos of what we will get at log x. If I start do differentiation second derivative, of course here product rule, if I keep x constant, then d square y by dx square plus, if I keep dy by dx constant, x differentiation is 1, that is equal to cos differentiation is minus sine log x into differentiation of log x, we will get it 1 upon x. Now just to cross multiply, I am doing simplification. Now do cross multiply, we will get it x square into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx. Here see minus sine of log, minus sine log x. So I can write it y. I can write it what? I can write minus y. So minus y, if I take this is one of the repeated board question, would be 4-mark question. Nothing better what I told you. Whenever you are doing first derivative, try to set for second derivative, try to avoid quotient rule. Take denominator function to the side, so right side, left side, so that you can use product rule. बस इतना टिप्स सीखो और कुछ है ही नहीं. X into dy by dx and then plus y equal to 0. बेटा समझ आए? Yes. Yes, बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write down fast. हरिया. Question number 11, I told you homework, you can do it. थोड़ा फास्ट करेंगे. Written better.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, rest of the students better say yes, no.
No, ma'am.
Write down fast. Yes. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now let me take another question, beta. Question number 12. What they are saying, this is also one of the repeated question. X square in terms of y alone means आपका जो second derivative है वो सिर्फ y term में answer आना चाहिए. Now listen. Suppose if you differentiate here, okay. So cos inverse तो 1 upon minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. मतलब x तो answer आएगा ही आएगा. So what I'm doing here, beta, I'm taking cos inverse to this side. So cos y equal to x. That means x को in terms of y alone मतलब जो second derivative है उसमें सिर्फ y term होगा, x term नहीं होगा. So that's why I brought this cos inverse to this side. Now you differentiate. Usual differentiation, cos y differentiation is minus sin y into differentiation of y, dy by dx equal to what we will get at 1. Now dy by dx is equal to, we need dy by dx for finding second derivative, we need dy by dx. That is equal to, this is simple, they are not asking here, prove that, that's why I'm taking that side, okay. Otherwise, if you want to use a product rule, you can use it product rule, that is up to your choice. So minus sin up 1 upon y, otherwise you can write minus cosec y. Okay, fine. Now go for second derivative, d square by dx square, that is equal to minus cosec का differentiation minus cosec y into cot y into differentiation of y, we will get dy by dx. Are you clear? Now, so you can write dy by dx value, d square y by dx square, that's equal to cosec y into cot y into dy by dx, we have result that is minus cosec y, minus cosec y. So the final answer d square y by dx square, that is equal to minus cosec square y into what we will get at cot y. See, that's they are saying, prove that d square y by dx square in terms of y alone means the answer should be only in terms of y, not x. That's why I want to eliminate x. That's why I did like this. Otherwise, if you start differentiation here, you will get answer in terms of x. Okay? Whatever they are asking, as per that you have to go. But question number 13, one of the most important repeated question, that is y equal to 3 cos log x. बेटा ये 6 मार्क क्वेश्चन में तीनों सेट में यहाँ 3 4 है ना, वो ये बी के साथ था. 3 मार्क, सॉरी 6 मार्क क्वेश्चन, कुछ है ही नहीं क्वेश्चन में, बट दे आस्क्ड इन 6 मार्क क्वेश्चन. Here they are saying first derivative is y1, second derivative is y2, whatever given like that you have to go. Now I'm finding first derivative y1 equal to, now y1 equal to less than 3, I'm keeping constant, cos का differentiation minus sine of log x into differentiation of log x, we will get it 1 upon x. Now plus 4, one is cos, one is sine meter, both are not, this is sine, this one is sine. Okay, fine. Now see, if I keep 4 constant, sine differentiation is cos of log x, sine differentiation is cos of log x into differentiation of log x 1 upon x. Now I'm taking x to the side. I told you try to avoid a quotient rule. I'm taking x to the side. That's equal to minus 3 sine log x into plus 4 cos log x. Now again go for second derivative. See, I brought this x to this side LHS so that I can use product rule. That means I can avoid quotient rule. Now x into y1 differentiation is y2 plus y1, I'm keeping constant, x differentiation is 1. Now this side if I differentiate, minus 3 sine differentiation is cos of log x into differentiation of log x 1 upon x. Now sine minus 4 sine of log x into differentiation of log x, we will get 1 upon x. Now again take x this side, so x square y2 plus x into y1, that is equal to, if I keep minus, I will get it to 3 cos of log x and then plus 4 sine log x. बेटा इसको दूसरी तरीका से भी आप कर सकते हो, y1 निकाल y2 निकाल, उसमें सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, वो बहुत लंबा टर्म चलता है. This is very short way I'm doing here, plus x into y1. This I can write minus y. So x square y2 plus x into y1 plus y equal to 0. What I told you, ये 6 मार्क क्वेश्चन में तीनों सेट में रिपीट हुआ था, कुछ है ही नहीं, 3-4 स्टेप्स का आंसर है. आर यू क्लियर? यस बेटा. Say yes, no. समझ में आ
No,
रहा है?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. कहीं प्रॉब्लम है? किसी का कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, डाउट है? Okay, do it fast, do fast. डन बेटा, थोड़ा फास्ट करो.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Yes बेटा, rest of the students. Just one question, let me take last question. Time is running. Just only 2-3 minutes left. This is extra I'm taking better. Have you done everybody better? Chalo, rest of the questions tomorrow we will see. Time is up. If I start, then I cannot complete. Okay, do revision properly better. Whatever I have done here, whatever I have given homework, be serious everyone. Up to this, whatever I told you how to do homework, question number 14 onwards I will do tomorrow. Then I will complete tomorrow mean valley theorem and Lagrange mean valley theorem and Rolle's theorem. And then after that miscellaneous, almost this week I will complete this chapter. Then next week I will start which one? Application of derivative. I told you up to application of derivative, keep patience. We have to complete first part anyhow better. That's keep in your mind. So maybe June 10 or 12, almost I will complete it. I will try. I don't know. Shall I end better?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.